Hi everybody, I am going to be playing today with some of this paper from Rinea, and this is the Metallics Variety Pack. It comes with 12 sheets that are 4x6, and yeah, let's see what we can make with it. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do, so let's see. I have these dies from Concord and Ninth. I do not remember the name of them. Oh, Simple Serif Alphabet dies. And what I'm going to do is spell the word love. Let's see, I'm just going to place my dies right here on my mat. Something like that, so that they are aligned. L. Yes, I do realize they are facing down. O. V. And the letter E, which goes right here. Alright, so now in order to keep it from moving, I am going to use some purple tape from Thermoweb and just stick it down. And now they are perfectly positioned where I want them. I am doing this on a black piece of cardstock, and I think I am going to try to make it so that they are completely centered, but I am not sure if that's gonna work. So hopefully right there. Let me just take a look at it. That looks okay. And now I'm gonna run it through my die cutting machine. All right. So now all I have to do is just carefully remove that tape. I do not want to tear my paper. And I don't need the negatives, or the positives that would be, of the letters, but I am going to keep all of those to the side and move on to the next step. All right. Now I am going to, let's see. I am going to pick one of these sheets of metallic paper. I have not decided which one yet. And the idea is going to be to have the paper shine from under it. And then I am going to die cut the letter I and the letter U. So I actually think I like this silver right here. Alrighty. So it's going to look like that. Of course, I could put the whole sheet under it, but I do not want to waste paper like that because it is not necessary. So what I am going to do is I am just going to cut like 2 inches. Let's see. Yep, fits like that. Not even that. Like that. And then I'm going to cut another little piece for the letters that I want to cut, the I and the U, and then I can save that piece of leftover paper for another project. Okay, I am gonna go ahead, and I have already chosen a die that I want to use as a pretty border die, and this die is by Gina Marie Designs. So I am gonna run my paper through my die cutting machine once again. I am going to put it right there so that it doesn't move. Something like that. And once again, I will be right back. remove that die and the tape carefully. Keep the tape so that I can reuse it later. And now I am going to go ahead and tape that right there. So the first thing I'm going to do is just apply a little bit of glue to like the inside part of the letters. And then I think I am going to use tape to keep it in place. Like that. You are not going to see the back of it, so it doesn't matter. And now I am going to place my letters back where they go, just like that. Add a little bit of glue. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue right here. And grab that inside part that goes to the E. Place it there. Make sure it's where it needs to be. And then I can remove that E. There you go. I am going to figure out what base card I want. I think I'm just going to do a white base. This is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 piece of paper that I am going to glue onto that. Make sure it is perfectly centered, or as close as you can get it. And the last thing I need to do is just find the letter I and the letter U. Let's see, I, where are you? And I am going to do the exact same thing I did before. So yeah, I probably need to secure them just so that they don't move. I'm gonna use one piece of tape for both. Oops, little dot to the eye just fell, but this is what we have. Alrighty. And now I just have to figure out where I want to place that. And this card is going to be ready to go. And there you guys have it. Here is the finished card using one of the metallic papers from Rinea. I used the Metallics Variety Pack, and yeah, it made a very simple project in just about 10 minutes. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.